Okay, we're here at eBay. I'm gonna show you the knives I'm about to bid on. 3 Benchmades. Current bid is $201.77. There they are there. See how good a shape them blades are in. Handles look great. That handle looks, it's a wood handle, looks like. There's one blade, a second blade, and there's that one tip right here. It's broke. I'll put $325 on it. That bid puts me in the lead at $204.27. So we've got 8 hours to see if we're gonna win them or not. We've got less than 1 minute. I lost the bid. Went up to $355.